Now I'm going to play with the volume of the clip. Let me see. Also, I can play. This is where I started. Also, I can play with the volume. I can talk very loud, hola, 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 or I can talk very soft, hola, 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 hola. Okay, so I'm gonna delete this. Okay, so I say I'm gonna talk very loud, so I'm gonna split the clip, or I can talk, and I'm gonna put the volume very high. To do that, I select the clip, and I go to this volume. Is 100%. I'm gonna put it 400%. That is the maximum. And when I lower my voice, a split clip, and I'm gonna say this clip, lower my voice to 20%. Let's see how it looks like now. Also, I can play with the volume. I can talk very loud, hola, 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 or I can talk very soft, hola, 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 hola.